Hey guys, this is Adrian. Happy Friday, happy weekend, guys. This is a CTFO Rockstar Team video presentation that I'm going to show you guys. If you're on my team with CTFO or you're not, just join my team below this video, guys. But this video, I'm going to show you some powerful ways how you can grow the CTF business. Now, I know a lot of people is good on online marketing. I know a lot of people is good on offline marketing. Why not combine both together? And this was this video going to show you guys. All right, guys, how I'm going to do this. All right, right now you're looking at the CTFO website they give you for free that you make 20% on each product that you sell. So I believe that you should have customer-based people that love the products, and I believe that you should have partners that help you promote so they can get as a partner, as a business owner, make money as you make money. So it's a win-win, guys. All right. Now this is a product page right here, guys, and this is more for the offline training right here, guys. You know, you look at some of these products, amazing. This is CBD oil, guys, what doctors don't give you. You know, we all got problems like that, back pains, and, you know, these are all your products, guys. You know, people spend a lot of money to make sure they are healthy, look good, feel good. And this is store, guys, that you make 20% from, guys. Now, these are the products right here, guys. You have that in your back office, guys, that can be directed to you, like right here. You know, this site is shared by Adrian Ramsey, guys. All right, second, guys, the offline training. Let me go to that page. All right, guys, this is the offline training, guys. You have still loading up, but you have brochures, business cards, magnets for your car. There's so much that you can get, guys. They even got tents all the way below, guys. But I don't want to make this video too long. This is in your back office too. And I'll show you at the end. Just my stock market going pretty well haywire. I don't know why. We even have tablecloths, guys, like in the springtime or something like that. There's a lot of events that are going on. Take advantage of that, or even inside doors. If you have a place that people sell things inside doors, you can have a booth sell all the offline materials that you need, guys, to get that off the chain. Let me show you. Use a traffic source that got me just on people that want to promote this business, guys. Just from the traffic source right here. Go to it. I'll let you know. All right, guys. And this is the traffic source I use right here. It's Udemy right here, guys. Brandon right here. Man, he's been making me a lot of business partners in my CTF business, guys. I have a swipe guide that I'll give you for free. Just reach out to me. It's definitely doing like a 60% conversion. So it's doing real good, guys. So I'm definitely buying for the online part of it, guys. But I am also going to start doing it maybe next week. The offline part of it, because I want customers also, guys. So because we have awesome products. So get with me. Sign up. Let me see, right here. Sign up for a free account right here, guys. I'll leave this link right here below, and just reach out, and I'll let you know what's up. And you'll come to a page right here, guys, and it's all free, guys. Become an associate for free. And you make 20% of all those I just showed you. Even if you don't want to recruit people, guys, you can do an offline marketing and pass brochures out, you know. And when people see them type of products, guys, you know, from back, and this is 100% organic on the hemp plant, guys. Can't get this from a doctor, guys. All right. So click whatever you're watching on YouTube. Go below. Boom. Click that link. Become a associate free. Reach out to me. I have some more free things on the guys to get you started fast. Or if you are my email subscriber and watching this, go ahead and click, or not click, yeah, click the writing, become an associate for free. All right, guys. I'll talk to y'all maybe next week because I'm going somewhere this weekend because my birthday coming up, so I want to get everything right. But have a nice weekend, guys, and I'll talk to y'all next video.